I'm Mary with US Assure. Did you know today is National Apple Pie Day? And even though I'm more of a pumpkin pie or coconut cream pie girl, I'm certainly not going to turn my nose up to a warm piece of apple pie with ice cream. Those two just go hand in hand, just like built-in coverages offered through the Zurich Builder's Risk Plan. Now let's talk about one of those coverages, Ordinance or Law. It's built into our coverage form up to $1 million. Now why is this coverage important? Imagine this, your client starts a project and halfway through a covered cause of loss occurs. Now from the time they started the project until the time the loss occurred, when you know it, city ordinance has changed. What does this mean? Well, it's going to cost more money to rebuild. Good thing this coverage is automatically in our coverage form. Now keep in mind, this coverage is provided for new construction and remodeling projects only. Now let's celebrate a great builder's risk policy offered through Zurich with some great apple pie made specifically for me by Katie, our camera person, and she said I didn't have to share. So go get your own. Ooh. See you next time. Ooh, thank you, Katie. Thank you, Katie. Thank you, Katie.